Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm Sip and I'm Sara and I'm Four. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Hello everyone. Today I am making a dragon for my Eistedfordd thing in school.
Can you tell us what each of the parts are?
Yeah, this is the head.
Okay.
And this is
Fire, is it?
fire. And this is his arm. This is his body, and this is his body, and this is his body.
Okay. And any other
And
pieces?
this is his tail.
Perfect.
And this is his wing.
Okay.
And this is his ear. And this is his other ear.
Okay,
And-
Lucy. Those are the ears, are they?
This is his eye. Where's the other eye?
There's somewhere here. We've misplaced it, but we'll find it in a minute. Okay, so you ready to make it?
Yeah.
What are going to be used?
Foam card.
Okay, what colours?
Green.
Yeah.
Yellow, black for his eyes, white for his teeth, and red for his claws.
Perfect.
I'm scrambling up some tissue paper. It has a nice texture to it. I'm gonna glue this onto the body.
Okay.
I put tissue paper on there by getting a flat one and scrambling it up, and then opening a bit.
Put some here.
Opening it a bit, and then putting it on.
Good girl.
I glued it with Pritt stick. I'm gonna turn this over, put Pritt stick by here, and glue this circle on. I'm gonna cut a light green circle out of paper. I'm gonna put it around here.
It's lovely. Wow, I love it.
I'm using these as templates to use on my foam card.
Okay. You tracing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Finished.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut all of these out. I'm gonna cut out all of this. I'm gonna put the ears on now. I've been gluing all of the bits on to make my dragon.
Looking great. What else do you need still?
We need the tail and wings.
Okay.
And we need the claws. I'm just gonna put the claws on. What do you think? Ta-da! I hope you like it. Oops, I forgot his tail. I'm now gonna finish him off by putting his red tail on.
Have you put any Brit stick on it?
No.
Good girl. Let's finish him. Got enough on there?
Yeah.
Great.
Done.
Done. That's fantastic. That's really good. Let's pick him up and show him off to the world. That's what he looks like. What do you think?
Yeah.
Love him?
Yeah.
You taking him to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sleeping, I'm sleeping. What is that noise? I heard it again. And again. My wing came off. Someone chopped it off. Someone chopped it off. Someone chopped it. Someone chopped it off.
Time to glue it back on then.
Hello everyone, I'm on holiday. I made this pot and I waited till it's dried and now I'm gonna paint it.
What colours are you using?
I want to use green.
Green, and that is
That is the green.
cadmium green hue. And what blue are you using? Turquoise blue? Ocean blue hue. Those are nice colours together. So you can start painting if you like. You excited?
Yeah.
So a little bit of green on some of it. Whoa.
Look sideways.
Yeah, I like sideways too. Easier, isn't it? Okay, love. Do you love painting?
Yeah, but I like doing crafts more.
Oh, what kind of crafts do you like doing?
Paper crafts, clay crafts, all sorts of crafts.
Yeah. That's why we made your channel, didn't we, for you? Everybody in the daycare watches the channel that Sarah and you do. They love it. And the last craft you did, the banana one, I think some people wanted to do that too after watching it. They left comments about it saying they love it and they're going to try it at home. Isn't that good? Tony, you're teaching people already and you're only 6. Teaching people around the world.
I tried to teach Sarah what 18 plus 2 was,
Oh, she's still learning.
but she kept scribbling all over the paper.
She is just 4. Oh, she's good at maths though. The daycare told me she's really good at sums in there.
Is she good at +1 + 1?
Probably, yes. I imagine she is. Not the bigger numbers.
But is she good at I finished painting the green and I'm gonna do some turquoise blue.
Go on then, squirt it out. Only need a little bit, remember?
Get it on my sleeve.
That's enough.
Like that?
Yes, perfect. I can't wait to see the blue on this pot. Can I have a look at the pot a minute? Wow, that's a vibrant green. Are you going to put blue on the bottom
I
half?
have a tissue to wipe them.
Ooh, let's get the blue on.
Actually, I want to finish the green.
beautiful colour. I love it. It's stunning.
Can I have more blue?
Of course you can. Help yourself. Let's see the bottom. Wow, beautiful. I love it. You did a really good job.
Goodbye. Bye bye. Poop.